In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you can do if your Redmi phone keeps switching on and off all of the time by itself. First, we need to go into the Redmi settings. Now, obviously, this problem can have various reasons, but what we can try is we can go to battery first, and this can happen when your battery is very bad and it's broken. So you could see your battery health here and check if your battery health is good, and we can do battery checkup right here. You can see also the current mode you are in. Maybe this is the reason too, but yeah, you could also try to update your Redmi phone. So if an update is available right here where it says update, click on it and do the update. Most of the time it is gone and it's fixed with a new update. But if everything doesn't work, there's a last option that maybe helps. We can go on about phone, scroll down and do a factory reset, but you will lose all your data if you're not backing it up first. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.